Hello everyone. In this video we'll explore 5 low competition Christmas niches or phrases that could help you stand out during the highly competitive holiday season. Along the way I will show you how to find these niches and I will create AI designs for each one. Let's get started. Most likely to go fishing with Santa. 431 results. The phrase most likely to is something you've probably come across before. It's a frequently used expression that fits into just about any niche. Here it is cross-niche with fishing, a popular evergreen niche that sells year-round. I'm noticing that most of the designs follow a similar style and layout and don't have fishing graphics to go along with the Christmas theme. You can come up with designs that actually include fishing visuals and have a different style in order to visually stand out and potentially get some sales. Let's use AI to make a design with Ideogram. The prompt is, most likely to go fishing with Santa, Christmas retro sun, vintage shirt text reads, most likely to go fishing with Santa. These are the results. Remix the one you like to get more variations. You can remix again and increase the image weight to fine-tune the designs you like. Use Photoshop or a similar software to fix some of the minor errors in the text and graphic. 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗵𝗵𝗂, 544 results. This combines 3 popular general niches, religion, coffee, and cats. Many of these designs are simple one-color white designs on black shirts. You can create colorful detailed designs to stand out. 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗵𝗵𝗂, Christmas cat script, typography simple font reads 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗵𝗵𝗂. Look at me being all festive and stuff. 236 results. This is a modified version of another shirt that replaces a profanity with the word stuff. This adjustment helps keep your account in good standing while also reducing the level of competition. It's worth noting, however, that the demand for the clean version may not be as high. Look at me being all festive and stuff. Christmas light street typography. This design will definitely stand out from all of the other 2D black and white ones. Again, you can take it into Photoshop and correct some of the minor imperfections. But first, ramen, Christmas cat, 45 results. This is a fantastic opportunity with remarkably low competition. We've combined the essence of but first ramen with the charm of cats and the festive spirit of Christmas. The result is a design that crosses 3 niches, which is why it is such a rare find in the market. This is a great example of niching down. To put it in perspective, if you search but first ramen, you'll find over 1,000 results. If you add cat to the mix, that number drops to 418. And when you introduce Christmas to the equation, you're left with only 45 results. It's evident from the bestseller rank BSR scores that there's a noticeable demand for this unique combination. With only 45 results, you're looking at a single page search results. This means that any designs you create have a strong chance of appearing on the first page even without immediate sales, but you'll still have to catch the attention of potential customers. But first ramen, ramen Santa Christmas, manga kawaii, Japanese style, anime noodles, JDM shirt text reads, but first ramen. And these are the results. All I want for Christmas is gains. 748 results. This Christmas shirt centers around working out and fitness. However, it's important to note that the phrase, all I want for Christmas, is associated with a song by Mariah Carey that has seen copyright infringement lawsuits, including a recent one just filed yesterday. The phrase is also a registered trademark with the USPTO. This means that anything containing this phrase could be potentially flagged by Amazon's algorithm due to trademark concerns. Therefore, it's essential to be cautious when using this phrase in your designs to keep your account safe. To find another design, I searched Christmas gains. I still see all I want for Christmas. If we scroll down, we see this design. Snow pain, snow gain. It has a BSR of 241,682. Let's check the competition. 17 results for snow pain, snow gain. And I only see 2 designs for this phrase, so extremely low competition. I also checked the trademark and this one is good to go. Let's make a design in Ideogram. 𝗦𝗶𝗁 strong Santa lifting, weight, sports, typography, bold font reads, 𝗦𝗶𝗁. And there you go, we have quickly generated some designs to upload in this low competition niche. Niching down and finding these cross niches within a high demand holiday or trends will help you compete this holiday season. Leveraging AI tools to create unique designs that stand out can also help you get additional sales. Remember to check trademarks and stay away from popular phrases from songs, television, or movies. Thank you for staying to the end. I will now give you a bonus tip that will help you easily and quickly make Christmas shirts that can be fun and unique. What you do is simply add a Santa hat to your niches. Do random objects and common popular things as well. Here are some examples using this prompt in AI. Simply plug in your niche and generate.